Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful flower. Okay, you can use any color which you like and you can make as many as you want and use it in different projects, right? So this very simple, very beautiful small little tutorial for this flower, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so for making this flower I use this two color with 2-ply yarn. They are lightweight, okay, or baby weight, so you can use any yarn whichever you like, whichever thickness you want, and take the hook according to it. So I use the hook for this tutorial is 4 mm. Okay, I use the hook 4 mm, a yarn needle and scissors, and that's all, and you're going to make as many as you want. So let's not waste any more time and get started making this flower. So let's get started. Okay, so for making this flower we are going to start by a slip knot. Okay, then place it on the hook. Now we are going to chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Once you have your chain 5, you're going to go in the first chain like this, okay, and grab a loop and pull it through both the loops to form the circle. Okay, now once you have your circle, now in this circle we are going to work our foundation for the flower. Chain 1. Okay, now this flower is going to be of 5 petals, so one petal will take 2 stitches. Okay, so we need to put 10 single crochet in this circle. Now if you want 6 petals, then it will be 12. Okay, so we go into this directly and make our first single crochet. Okay, and now we are going to make 9 more, so we have got our first, okay, second, 3, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now once you have your 10 single crochet, now you're going to go in the first stitch here and slip stitch to join like this. Okay, now we have completed the base. So what we are going to do, chain 1, and now we are going to snip the yarn. Just snip the yarn. Okay, and we have done. So now you're going to take your next color, whichever color you want your petals to be. So I'm taking this nice blue color. Okay, you can take whichever you want. Make a slip knot. Then we are going to go in this first stitch where we did our slip stitch to join in that same stitch. Okay, place our color on the hook, the loop, pull it through and chain 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so once you finish chaining 2, then you're going to put 2 double crochet in the same place. 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now we are going to go in the next stitch and we are going to put 2 double crochet in that 2. 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to do the chain 2 which we did at the start to complete the pattern. So we will chain 2 and slip stitch in the same stitch which we did 2 double crochet. So now our pattern is complete. Okay, so this is the first pattern complete. Okay, now we are going to go in the next stitch and slip stitch in that. Okay, and then start the same, chain 2, 2 double crochet in that same place, 1 and 2. Now go into the next stitch, put 2 double crochet, then chain 2 and slip stitch in the same stitch to finish the pattern. Okay, so we have our 2 petals ready. Now we are going to slip stitch in the next stitch for the third petal and so on. So you're going to continue doing the same thing for the rest remaining petals. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same place. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch back in the same stitch. Then we slip stitch in the next stitch for the next petal. Okay, so you continue your work and I will see you at the end. Now once you finish your petals, okay, the last petal is here. Now we have here what is called the slip stitch. Okay, so that slip stitch area before this stitch. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go in this part, where the first petal started, go into that stitch and slip stitch, okay, to join. Now chain 1, pull the yarn high, snip, okay, now pull it out, cinch it nice and tight, okay, and now we are going to do is take this tail which we did at the start, you just pull it. Now if you haven't worked on your tail, what you're going to do is you're going to, while weaving in the tail, you're just going to go around and then pull it. It's not going to get totally cinched up, okay, as we have worked in the chain 5 ring. So if you work on a magic circle, then it might get totally closed. Now we are going to just weave in our tails, okay. So grab your needle and just weaving the tails here. So I'm starting from the center one. Okay, the center one will be here. Okay, and as I finish, I'll just snip the excess so that I come to know I have finished one. The next one. So here is our flower. So you can make in any color you want. You can use the base color different, whichever you like. Okay, so how it is. What you have to say, isn't it beautiful? I hope you enjoyed making this cute little flower. You can use it for many projects. Okay, you can use a thicker yarn and make a bigger one, so it's totally up to you. So I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful flower, and hope to see you in the next video with something new and something fun on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss fun little videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.